Hi guys, welcome back. So, mainit na naman na topic si Marilake, no? Someone unfortunately na aksidente na naman. Sadly, meron pang namatay. Ay, nako. Pero, alam mo kasalanan nila yun eh. Alam mo yan, they were riding beyond. There's so many reasons kung bakit. Alam mo yan. One is they were probably riding beyond their skills. Second, they were doing stunts in a public road. Tapos overspeeding. Ang dami talagang mali na nangyayari. Kaya nga yung usapan nga namin ng mga motorcycle friends ko, para ang sarap nga mag-Marilake because we would go up there, sarap ng mga twisties, di ba, when you're riding. But our biggest concern is not if we have the skills for it. Ang takot namin talaga is tamaan kami nung mga riders that are reckless. Tsaka alam mo yun, hindi tingnan mo yung nung may mga na-aksidente, mas madalas meron silang nadadamay either sa sakyan o kapwang rider. Palaging meron silang nadadamay eh. Yun yung ayaw namin eh. Pag mag-ride kami doon is baka kami yung madamay. No matter how safe, how responsible we are, pag kami ang inabot nung ganong klaseng rider, wala kami. Talo kami talaga eh. Talo eh. So I appreciate na nag-come up sila ng ride na meron pa daw make Marilake safe again. Pero may isang issue rin kasi na that was brought to me. Hindi pumasok sa isip ko to dati eh, kasi kausap ko nga yung mga ibang mga, remember I'm also a photographer by profession. So mag-uusap kami ng mga photographer ko na friends. So, sabi ko, tambay tayo minsan sa Marilake, mag-shoot tayo, let's bring our big cameras, let's bring our big lenses, tapos shoot tayo doon kasi marami tayong makukuha ng mga action shots so we can practice. Tapos sabi niya, alam mo, yan yung hindi ako favorable dun sa ginagawa ng mga tao. Sabi ko, bakit naman? Ano yung point mo na hindi ka favorable when people are just shooting things that are happening? Sabi niya kasi, parang ano yan eh, parang ini-encourage mo yung mga riders to ride recklessly para maganda yung picture nila. So, di ba, yun yung they will do banking. Tapos, syempre, since doon palagi nangyayari, ang daming mga nag-video, nagpo-photo, and at the same time, a lot of people na nandoon nakatambay to watch the stunts, to watch whatever. Ang worst pa are people watching para makapanood kung may maa-aksidente. So inaabangan nila. And that really resonated to me. Sabi ko, oo nga no, kasi kung inisip mo, how many of those riders will stop doing stunts, will stop overspeeding kung wala namang tao doon nanonood at nagka-capture? Tama rin eh, di ba? Pero I'm not saying kasalanan ng mga nagfo-photo, nagvi-video doon. Alam mo 'yon, matatanda na yung mga riders eh. Matanda na 'yon eh. Hindi na dapat kasalanan ng mga ibang tao 'yun. That's your own responsibility. Pero do you guys think that they are being encouraged to be reckless, to take risks with those stunts for that photo or for the crowd that is watching there to cheer them on? Yun yung hindi ko maalis-alis sa ano. Kaya nung nabanggit sa akin nung friend ko yun, sabi ko, as much as I can do and set up, mag-photoshoot ako doon, it would even help my channel kasi it will bring in a lot of audience to my channel. Pero sabi ko, I think me not doing it is part of me being responsible to not promote those illegal or not illegal but reckless, no? Reckless behavior in that area para naman mas safe para sa atin lahat. Alam ko maraming mga photographers mainis nga like I said, 'di ba? Hindi naman yung kasalanan yan pero this is purely my opinion na I think we cannot remove the fact na some or baka nga most of the people who go to Marilake are being encouraged to do all those because someone is watching and someone might have a nice photo of them. No, hindi ko talaga inaano. Ang saya ko nga na may mga photos ako every time I go to Marilake. Diba? So sana lang there's a way that we can actually mix both without causing too much danger to the public. Baka pwede na lang maggawa na lang ng time na where we can actually be in a close area para pwede mag-photoshoot yung mga photographers para at least for one it's safer to the public. Kung sumemplang sila, that's their own. Kung sumemplang ka, kasalanan mo yan, wala akong problema. Ang ayoko is yung may nadadamay na inosente. Okay guys, but would really love to know what's your opinion dun sa take ko. Should we make or restrict mga photographers, videographers and people hanging out in those areas para maiwasan yung mga nagsho-show off, or do you think it's purely the responsibility of the riders? Walang pakialaman doon sa ginagawa ng mga photographers at videographers. What do you guys think? Please let me know. It's an interesting topic nga Okay guys, thank you. Hopefully Marilake becomes safe again. Okay? Bye.